When it comes to enhancing the value, functionality, and aesthetic appeal of your home, few upgrades make as significant an impact as custom doors. For residents in Dallas, where architectural diversity and unique design preferences are celebrated, investing in custom doors is more than a style statement, it's a practical decision. Whether you're building a new home or renovating your current one, custom doors can elevate your property in ways that off-the-shelf options simply cannot. In this article, we'll explore why custom doors are a smart investment for Dallas homeowners, focusing on their unmatched advantages in terms of personalization, durability, and long-term value. Personalized aesthetics for every home. Dallas neighborhoods showcase a variety of architectural styles, from mid-century modern to classic Victorian and sleek contemporary designs. Off-the-shelf doors often fall short in complementing these distinctive styles, but custom doors offer unparalleled personalization. Here's how. Tailored designs. Custom doors allow homeowners to choose specific materials, finishes, and designs that align with their home's aesthetic. Whether you want an intricate carved wood entry door or a sleek glass sliding door for your patio, the options are limitless. Unique features. Add special touches like stained glass, iron accents, or custom handles to make your door truly one of a kind. These features not only enhance your home's curb appeal but also reflect your personal taste. Perfect fit. Older homes in Dallas may have non-standard door sizes or unique entryway shapes. Custom doors ensure a seamless fit, avoiding gaps or awkward adjustments. Enhanced durability for the Dallas climate. The Dallas climate presents unique challenges for home exteriors, with hot summers, occasional storms, and fluctuating humidity levels. Custom doors, built with high-quality materials and precise craftsmanship, are designed to withstand these conditions better than mass-produced alternatives. Weather-resistant materials. Custom doors can be crafted from durable materials like fiberglass, steel, or treated wood, which resist warping, cracking, and fading caused by extreme heat or moisture. Energy efficiency. Proper insulation is critical in the Texas heat. Custom doors can include features like advanced weather stripping and insulated cores to reduce energy loss, keeping your home comfortable and lowering utility bills. Longevity. Investing in a custom door means you're choosing a product built to last. Unlike cheaper, mass-produced doors, custom options often come with superior craftsmanship and warranties, offering peace of mind. Increased home value and curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your front door is one of the first things visitors notice about your home. A beautifully crafted custom door instantly boosts curb appeal, making your home stand out in the Dallas market. Higher resale value. Custom entry doors are often viewed as a premium feature by potential buyers. If you plan to sell your home in the future, a custom door can be a key selling point that increases your home's value. Architectural harmony. A custom door that matches your home's overall design can create a cohesive look, enhancing the overall aesthetic and appeal of your property. Low maintenance. Custom doors are built with durable finishes and materials that require less upkeep, saving you time and money over the years. Improved security and functionality. Custom doors offer more than just visual appeal, they also enhance your home's safety and functionality. With burglary rates being a concern in urban areas, including parts of Dallas, investing in a secure custom door is a wise choice. Advanced security features. Custom doors can include reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass, providing an extra layer of protection for your family. Ease of use. Tailored designs ensure smooth operation, whether you're installing a custom sliding door for your patio or a grand double door for your entryway. Custom hardware. Choose high-quality locks, handles, and hinges to match your security needs and style preferences. Sustainability and eco-friendly options. Dallas residents increasingly prioritize sustainable living, and custom doors offer eco-friendly options that align with this value. Sustainable materials. Many custom door manufacturers offer eco-conscious materials, such as reclaimed wood or doors made from recycled components. Energy savings. As mentioned earlier, custom doors with superior insulation reduce energy consumption, lowering your home's carbon footprint. Conclusion. A worthwhile investment for Dallas homeowners. Custom doors are more than just an upgrade. They're an investment in your home's style, functionality, and value. For Dallas residents, where the climate, architectural diversity, and lifestyle demands call for high-quality solutions, custom doors deliver unmatched benefits. Whether you're aiming to enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, or add a layer of security, a custom door is a decision that pays off in the long run. By choosing a custom door tailored to your home and needs, you'll enjoy a blend of beauty, durability, and functionality that generic doors simply can't match. Elevate your Dallas home today with a custom door that makes every entrance memorable.